Hello trader. So today's video is about 5-minute trading. Today is 17th of May and the time is GMT 14 and I'm recording this video on the 5-minute chart. So this video is about 5-minute trading. We will be trading on the 5-minute chart. Our aim is to take at least 2 trades in this video, and if we have a little extra time then we will take 1 or 2 extra trades. So let's start taking trades. And if you're watching my video for the first time, don't worry, I explain each of my trades in detail. And yes, we have an opportunity here. I will just see the confirmation if we have. Okay. Yes, we need a confirmation. The market closes below the resistance. We have one more resistance here. Okay, this is a confirmation. Yes, this is a confirmation, so I place my trade. So now let me explain you the trade. Okay, so as you can see, the market is in downward direction. So the first thing which came in my mind is to trade with the trend. Second thing, if we look carefully on this particular candle, this candle closes below the resistance level after getting a small rejection. This was the level, this was the resistance level, and as soon as I get the confirmation on the 15-second chart, which is here, I placed my trade. And so let's wait for the result. I will move to different second chart to find some more trading opportunities. And yes, we have here the similar condition. I need a confirmation. 15-second, I'm opening 15-second chart, and okay, this seems like it is giving us a confirmation, and it is a kind of confirmation, but I wanted to make it sure, so we'll wait for a good red candle here. Okay, this is a confirmation. I placed my trade here as well. Now we'll move to, okay, it's only 3-minute video, so I will take one more trade here. We are having a good opportunity. We just need a confirmation. I will explain you first. Let me take the trade. Okay, a confirmation will work here. Okay, a red candle is what I want now. Okay, good. That's a good sign. Yes, that's a confirmation. I placed my trade here as well. Let's move to, okay, we will take one more trade and I will explain you all. Okay, here also we can take trade, but okay, the time is gone actually. We have to wait for the candle to finish. It's going to finish in the next 17 seconds. So this trade is working good. Here it is going very well, but here it is actually very close. Let's wait for the result. I will explain after that. So we finished all the trades in our winning. So as you can see, we won this trade, we won this trade, and we won this trade. So now I will explain you each of my trades. So first of all, why I placed my trade for a put here. So the first thing which I noticed here is that market is in downtrend direction. It was in downtrend direction, so it's a good sign that we should place our trade on a down direction, which is for put or lower. Second thing I noticed is this intermediate resistance level. Let me draw it to make it clear. This intermediate resistance level which formed, the market reverses, pulls back, make corrections. Third thing which I noticed, that this candlestick pattern, it's a sign of, if you look carefully on this wick, it shows the power of sellers. Sorry, it shows the power of sellers, and as the market is downtrend, so the sellers are basically have strong power than the buyers, but still the buyers try to able to take the market from this level to this level, but they can't break this resistance level because it's a downtrend direction, and that what motivates me to place a put. And I just waited for the confirmation here. We got the confirmation here, and so I place my trade. These two pattern, if you look carefully, this is a hammer which is a sign of reversal. This red candle also shows the presence of sellers. These two wick together shows the entrance of sellers, and this confirmation makes me believe that now the market will go down, and so I place my trade for a put. So this is why I place my trade on Canadian CHF chart for a put from this level. Now let's move on here, and I may be sneezing throughout the video because I am having cold. I was not able to talk, and that's why I didn't upload the video, but still today I think that I'm in a better condition, so I'm recording this video. So pardon me if you heard noises of sneezing. Okay, so let me explain you why I placed my trade here. So if you look carefully, the market is not having any kind of trend here. The only thing that I saw was a strong resistance level, which, let me draw it completely so that you all can watch it. And if you look carefully on this area, this whole area is a strong resistance. We will start from here. If you look carefully here, it was previously a good support. It worked here as a support, then it's been broken. It worked here as a resistance, then it again been broken. It again worked as a support, good support, 1 2 3 4 5 times almost. Then it again broke, then it worked once, and this was the second attempt of its breaking. So I was sure that I can place a trade because the level has not been broken, and the resistance is very strong, and the market, as in a ranging mode, cannot break it easily because there is no trend. So I just need a confirmation on the 15-second chart which shows that sellers are entering. So I just waited for the confirmation. I didn't place my trade for the first confirmation or for the second. I waited for the third confirmation. Sometimes taking 2 or 3 confirmation is important if you are not finding yourself confident. Sometimes if you get a good confirmation, you can place for the first confirmation, but if you are not sure about it, then wait for 1 or 2 more confirmation. This was the first confirmation. It's a reversal. It's a spinning top, which is a sign of reversal. Second, it's again a hanging man, a red hanging man with a long wick downward, suggesting that market is having sellers now. And third candle, it was a good red candle, and that makes me believe that the market now will reverse, and that's why I placed my trade for a put here. So this is about why I placed my trade on Euro USD chart. And last, AUD USD chart. So why I place the trade, the same case I have explained. The market is in downward direction. We have an intermediate level here. Buyers make the market move to this level, but they were not able to cross this resistance level. The candle closes below the resistance, and that's why I wanted to place my trade with the confirmation. And so I just moved to the 15-second chart. And where was our confirmation? Okay, let me check. It was, we have placed our trade like on which confirmation okay, I think we have placed our trade with I don't know, I actually forgot which candle we were using. So it may be around like here something. We get I saw 2 confirmation, and that's why I placed the trade. And it was Okay, it was here. This was the confirmation. Yes, now I remember. So what I did here, I waited for the market. It was hitting this resistance level. It was trying to break it, and the first time it broke the level, we got a confirmation of sellers. Again, it tried to go up. It was not able to engulf this red candle. It again reverses. I waited because I don't want to place my trade with this confirmation. And the second time we get the confirmation, I placed my trade here so that we can have a trade here, because I was sure that we are getting a series of confirmation of sellers entering the market, and so I placed the trade here. So this was about all the three trades which we have taken in this video, and our target is being fulfilled now, and I will just look for one more trade and then we will finish this video. So here I cannot see any confirmation because the second best level is here. Now this level is being break. You can see this green candle, this is a breakout. Intermediate level cannot be used more than 2 times because they are not that strong, they are weak. But when it comes to extreme levels, you can use them more than 1 or 2 times, like 3 times, not more than that. And if you don't understand what are extreme level, you can watch the video in the playlist section about it, and after that it will make sense to you why extreme levels are strong. And talking about this chart, you can see this is actually strong level, and this is a sign of reversal. Market is going up again. We need to wait for the candle, this candle, running candle, to finish below the level, and then we can place our trade. And here, okay, we kind of place a trade here. Yes, we can. Let me check the 15-second confirmation. 1 second, 1 second, 1 second, fast. Okay, so it's a confirmation. Okay, no, there is a problem actually. I want to place my trade. This is a good confirmation that market will reverse, but the problem here is that this there is a support here as well, and this candle closes just above the level, so it will be a risky trade if I take a put here, because this level is suggesting that this candle might not be the confirmation for a reversal but for a trend to go more up, because it closes above the support level. So in such cases, when you find levels which are very near, like this is the resistance and this is the support area, this is the support area, let me draw it. Okay, so when you find such cases when the levels are very near, it's better not to take trade, because the market will do random running in any direction, because we don't know where who is dominant here, maybe the buyers or the sellers. And as you can see, this is a downtrend, so that's why the sellers are holding this market for not going up. But this is very newly formed support level, and that's why it is working too. So this candle might finish in between the levels, which is it's kind of confusing for a trader, and in such cases you don't have to take any trade. Now let's move to euro AUD chart, and here it was totally uptrend. Okay, we have a level here. I will use this level. Okay, so this is extreme level. Okay, this is extreme level. I'm going to use it. Okay, so we have extreme level here, and that's great. We need to wait for the candle to finish. We will wait for this candle to finish. It's gonna finish soon. Okay, so it is completed, and it closes above. Yes, we can place a trade. The market is kind of weak, and it is going to hit our support level, which is extreme support. I will switch to 15-second chart, and we'll see what we can do. Okay, it's moving too fast. not a great thing. Okay, so this is going to be a confirmation. I will place my trade. Let's wait. Okay, this is a confirmation. I will wait for one more confirmation. It reverses in between the area. It closes below the area. Okay, this is okay. It is again reversing, but I will place the trade. This is the confirmation. This is the second confirmation. So we have taken 4 trades, and I will finish this video with this trade. Whatever the result is, we are using the extreme levels. We are trading with the trend. We have used 2 confirmations, so I think we can win this trade because extreme levels are good when it comes to reversal, and the candle are also weak enough. Just wait. Okay, so we are getting series of rejection from upwards as well as from the onward direction. We will wait for this results. So let me explain you the trade first. Then okay. So why I placed this trade is simple. The market was in upward direction. So I was thinking to place a trade for a call. Second thing which I noticed is that this is an extreme level, which is a sign that the market, which is a strong level. Extreme levels are very good when it comes to rejection. Third thing is that the level is not being used at all, and so what I need is that a good confirmation, and then I can place my trade. But it is kind of crossing it. It should not be happening. Okay, and we have placed our trade after getting 2 confirmations. Let's wait for the results. In the next 2 minutes the trade will finish, and the video is not that long. It's only almost 18 minutes, which is a good thing. So we will wait for the results, and that's it. So as if you have any doubt, if you have any queries, not understanding these trades, then you can write a comment about it, and I will try to explain as much as possible. You can email me. I'm not using any social media to have access or have any connection with the traders. But if you want to have any question, if you want to ask any question, then you can email me directly at hemrajjichauhan@gmail.com. I will leave the link in the description. Sorry, I will leave the email address in the description of this video so that you can contact me, because so many traders, so many scammers actually are using my name to scam traders. So I decided to use email instead of Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, or any other social media. So if you want to contact with, if you want to connect with me, then use email address which I have given you. So the trade is going to finish in the next 1 minute. It is been moving in the box. You can see from the support to the upward direction. Okay, as you can see, it was moving downward, and this extreme level is making the market to move up, and this is that is why this is turning into a ranging market. Now let's wait for the results. It's going to finish in the next 45 seconds. Now it's giving me some negative vibes actually, and the reason is because the market is holding from this level and this level, and we have placed our trade here. If it was our first confirmation, we must have won the trade, but this resistance is giving me some negative thoughts. But let's wait. 17 seconds, 16 seconds are remaining. Okay, now if the market reverses, okay, always try to be patient. If you lose the trade, it's not your fault. Always try to do things which are correct, and we won this trade also. So always try to be patient. When if you, even if you lose the trade, it's not your fault. Always try to learn from your mistake. I do have videos in which I have shown that I have done some wrong trades as well, because uh, nobody is perfect in this world, and everybody loses. It's totally natural and common. Nobody can win 100% trades, but try to do things which can help you to achieve a better success or better trading. So always try to use the, if even if you have a different strategy, always try to mix with some good strategies, like some good ideas, like using support or resistances. Even if you are using indicators, that's not a problem, but relying over totally over the indicators is the problem. You have to think about it, you have to think by yourself as well. Just relying over the indicator is not the solution of your trading losses. So try to focus on your trading style and learn from your mistakes. And as you can see, in this video I have taken almost like 2 or 3 confirmation, and then I place the trade. It is because I was not very sure about the confirmation. You can see these wicks actually are the reason why I don't want to place on the first confirmation. If I get this candle like a strong red, strong green candle without any wick above the level, I must have placed my trade here. So if you are not confident, always wait for the right moment and always try to acquire margin of safety. And if you don't understand what is margin of safety, let me give you a small hint what it is. So if you basically, it is trading in the direction where you wanted to trade but waiting for the market to go in the opposite direction. It works like this: if you want to place a call after this candle, you will not going to place a call at this level but wait for the market to go down a little bit and hit any support level near to this level, and if you have the confirmation, then you will place the trade. In this way, your strategy was saying that the market will go up, but it started to go down and hit the support level, and you have the confirmation, you place the trade. In this way, what you have a margin of safety from this level till this level. It means that even if the market goes a little down, you will not lose the trade. The chances of your loss will be lower because you are not placing your trade just here. You are placing your trade like here or here something, so your chances of loss will be lower. If you don't understand it, then you can watch my previous video about the 5-minute trading. I have explained the strategies. So this is about today, and I will be making more videos in the coming time, as right now I'm feeling a little better. And till then, keep trading, keep working hard, and if you have any questions, just email me. Good day.